Welcome back to another quick tutorial about CapCut video editing on PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to group two timelines together in CapCut PC. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and select all the timeline that you want to group. For instance, I want to group all these timelines. I'm going to go ahead and select them all right here, or better, you can select the first timeline, press Ctrl key down and select the second timeline. So having selected these two timelines all together, next thing you want to do is to right click on it. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on group, or you press Ctrl G on your keyboard and it's going to group the timeline. So by the time you want to drag, it's going to be two timelines. Just like what you see. By the time you want to drag, it's going to be automatically two timeline. By the time you drag, it's going to be automatically two timeline. By the time you drag, it's going to be automatically it's that simple. More tutorial tips and tricks about CapCut editing on PC. Consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you.